Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project that is SBR Global Queensville, which is located in Kumbalgodu, Mysore Road in Bangalore. And this project is developed by SBR Group. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, current construction status of the project and the position. Now first, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing in front of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office of the project. And let me show you that on my right hand side is the model villament. So this is the 3 BHK villament, and about the land parcel is over this side where the construction work starts. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project will be constructed on total 8 acres of land parcel featuring of 5 towers with 14 wings, and all the wings will be of 2 basement, ground plus 4 floors, 2 BHK simplex, 3 BHK villament, 3 BHK sky villa and 3 BHK luxury penthouse premium residencies. Here I mentioned about the villament. So what exactly villament is? So villament is a combination of villa and the apartment where you will be getting the luxurious feeling of the villas inside the apartment. Now coming to the location part, as mentioned, this project is located on Dodda Aladmara Road in Kumbalgodu, Bangalore. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project. You can reach to Chalagatta metro station in 4 minutes from the project. Rajarajeshwari Medical College and Engineering College is within 5 minutes, and you can reach to Kengiri in 10 minutes from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So this project is thoughtfully designed with luxurious apartment with branded fittings and fixtures, vitrified tiles, SS sink with firefighting system, additionally home automation system and many more. Now about the external amenities. So this project has 50 plus world-class amenities catering all age group with 20,000 square feet of 2 clubhouses, swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, landscape garden, jogging track and many more.
This project has one type of car parking, and that is the basement level.
Now let's do the master plan. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of SBR Global Queensville, featuring 5 towers. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK Classic Villa, 1039 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK Garden Villa, 2204 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK Classic Villa, 2316 square feet.
Now coming to the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So the project construction work is started and the excavation work is going on for now. Now coming to the possession part. So the radar possession of the project is November 2029, but the target possession by SBR Group is September 2028. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project that is SBR Queensville, which is located in Kumbalgodu near Mysore Road in Bangalore by SBR Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.